Hi, welcome to my video. If you haven't done that already, do give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Also comment this video and hit on the notification button so you can be alerted of new videos as I add them to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about changing conditional formatting. Now, if you don't know what conditional formatting is, you can view the video on conditional formatting in MS Excel. I'm going to leave a link in the description section of this video, so you can click on that and view the video on conditional formatting. So here in this spreadsheet, I have configured conditional formatting in column D to emphasize any of the quantity in stock that is below 100. So as you can see, all those below 100 are emphasized in blue. Okay, now I want to change my conditional formatting so that it is highlighted in gray instead of blue. So how do I do that? So in order to change your conditional formatting, you need to select the affected area, in this case column D, from row 4 to row 28. Click on Home, because Home is where all the formatting commands are. Click on Conditional Formatting. Now, if you want to change, don't use any of these. Instead, go to Manage Rules. That's one of the common mistakes that I see for those starting out using Excel conditional formatting. They want to change an existing conditional formatting, but they click on one of these. Click on Manage Rules. Let me show you the steps again. First, click on Home. Then click on Conditional Formatting and click on Manage Rules. So this is the rule that you have created earlier, emphasizing anything that is less than 100 with blue. I want it to be gray now. So click on this rule, click on Edit Rule, and change whatever you need here. So in this case, I want to change the format, so I click on the Format button. And this time I want it to be gray. Click OK, click OK again, and click OK, and that's it. As you can see, it is now in gray. So that's how you change an existing conditional format.